Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 24 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. And today I woke up at 4 a.m. and the usual did my stretching, vision board. Then I made my bed, drank warm water, prayed, workout, meditated, and then I journaled, read my book, watered the plants, brushed, and had my breakfast. Then I did my whole full room cleaning because it was a complete mess from so many days and I could not handle to stay in there for more in that mess because it literally declutters my mind also, and I don't feel productive when my surroundings are messy. That's why I decided that today I was gonna do that thing, like complete the cleaning. So I started with that and it became afternoon. I didn't even realize that it took such a long time. I organized like my closet again, removed whatever clothes I was not wearing and kept them separately in a different box, and kept all the things in its places. After that, I took a bath and I had my lunch at 3 o'clock because it truly got really late until I finished the cleaning. Then I washed my hair accessories, I did the laundry. Then there was a small function of a nearby temple, so this palanquin was gonna come to each and every house in a place. So for that we had to put rangoli. Okay, so I went to put that, my mom and me. So we started putting the rangoli. After that I had my dinner, and till the palanquin come it was quite late. I had to even wait, right? So it got late, and after it went, it was 11 o'clock. So yeah, I slept at 11 o'clock. So this is like short, but that was the end of my day 24. There was like nothing much. It was most of like cleaning, and I felt good after cleaning. I like keeping things in its places. I like the place when it's clean. I feel fresh and I feel very creative when my surroundings are also clean. Okay, so that is what I always wish for, but it never, doesn't works out like that. That if how no matter how much you try to keep it clean, try to put the things back some or other day, it really gets messy. And in my life though, every month may 2-3 times, so it happens. I most of the times try to keep the things back, but sometimes happens. Okay, and then I take a whole day to clean it up. So anyways, that was the end of my day 24, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.